Choosing the wrong business entity can cost you thousands in taxes or leave your personal assets at risk. I'm Mohammed with CPS Accounting and Tax Services, and today I'll break down every major startup entity, how the IRS taxes each one, and how to pick the right fit for your specific business goals. Your entity choice controls three things: personal liability protection, your ability to raise capital, and, critically, your tax bill. Key insight: legal structure and tax status are separate. You can mix and match. Let's walk through the 5 main options. Sole proprietorship. This is the default if you file nothing. It is simple to start but offers zero liability shield. Tax-wise, all profit hits your personal return. You pay ordinary income tax plus 15.3% self-employment tax. Partnerships work similarly for 2 or more owners. Profits are split according to your specific partnership agreement. Active partners still owe that 15.3% self-employment tax. It's great for flexibility, but not for tax optimization. LLC. The startup standard. You get liability protection, but the IRS defaults to what we call pass-through taxation. The power move? You can elect S-Corp or C-Corp tax status later. It's a legal shell with incredible tax flexibility. An S-Corp is a tax election, not a legal entity. You pay yourself a reasonable salary subject to payroll taxes. Remaining profits flow as distributions that avoid self-employment tax. This means significant savings once you're profitable. C-Corp, its own tax-paying entity. It pays a flat 21% federal corporate rate, which investors prefer. While it faces potential double taxation, it unlocks investor capital and powerful tax exclusions like QSBS for high-growth startups. So how do you pick? Ask 3 questions. Number 1, are you planning to raise venture or institutional capital? If so, choose C-Corp. Number 2, want simple pass-through taxes? Choose LLC. Number 3, profitable over $70,000? Consider an S-Corp election. Entity choice isn't permanent, but getting it right early saves headaches. Visit cpsaccountingtax.com to build smart and scale cleaner. Before you go, launching a business, CPS Accounting and Tax Services makes it simple. Our business launch package handles everything: entity formation and EIN registration, accounting setup and bookkeeping, payroll integration and tax strategy, even website and marketing launch support. One team, one point of contact. You focus on building, we handle the rest. Visit cpsaccountingtax.com/launch or call or text 888-490-0100. Quick favor, if this video helped you, please like, share, and comment below. Why? Because if this gets enough engagement, we're launching the CPS Entrepreneur Series. Coming up, S-Corp salary guidelines, quarterly tax planning for startups, deductible startup expenses, and hiring your first employee. Comment now. What topic should we cover first? Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, subscribe, like, and share. If you have any suggestions or questions, drop them in the comments below. You can also find us on Facebook and LinkedIn. This content is for educational purposes only, not tax, legal, or financial advice. Always consult a licensed CPA or attorney for your situation. Visit cpsaccountingtax.com.